welcome back to Miss Chia's Kitchen. Today we are making fried red breams. So these are our red breams. I really like and enjoy eating the head because it has a lot of steak. So I learned this from my mom. We'll start by putting our fish spice, because that's fish spice, into a bowl or container. We will add our 7 colors. Yes, that's our 7 colors. And then we're going to add our cayenne pepper. So when it comes to spices, you can add any spices that you like. We're going to use the Nando's season, but yeah, use any spices that you like. I'm going to add more of the fish spice, because when I put some earlier on, I just had to put a little bit, but then yeah, we're going to add more, mix them together. So the purpose of putting in a container is it gives us the allowance to shake. So she says all the spices mix very well, and yeah, they become very nice. So we're going to put our cooking oil in our pan. Remember, we're deep frying, so we'll need a lot of the cooking oil. So yeah, that's the amount that I had to use. You can put the amount of oil according to the pan that you're using. And then we're going to put our flour in a bowl. I used 3 of the dishing spoons, but yeah, you measure according to the number of fishes that you're using. If it's 1, you also put just a little. If it's 2, yeah, according to the fish. And then we're going to add our 7 colors. Yeah, you can put salt if you like salt, but fish spice has a lot of salt. So for me, I just had to put 7 colors. No salt, but the seasoning was perfect. So according to you, you can use what you like. If you like chili, you can put chili at this part. And then yeah, this is us dipping our fish in flour. So I did a lot at a time because I was waiting for my oil to heat up. Remember, you place your fish once your oil is hot. So there we go, guys. We are putting our fish in the oil. So remember, once you cut your fish, if it's hot, you dry your fish first. If it's wet, you dry your fish first. And with a towel, paper towel, dish towel, make sure it's dry before you go through the process of spicing, marinating it, and then putting it in the oil. So yeah, we're going to be turning after just a few minutes of allowing it to cook. As this fish was so delicious, I wish I had more, and I'm definitely going to make it again this week because I still want more of it. So yeah, this is the browning. So you remove your fish when you are happy and satisfied with the browning. While cooking and turning, you make sure your fish is also well cooked. We don't want raw fish. But guys, this is a very simple yet very delicious recipe. Please try it and let me know what you think about it. My family loved it. It was too little for us to enjoy. So yeah, you guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Voila, that's the end result.